Welcome guys, today I will show you how to enable Smart Sidebar on Motorola Edge 70. So let's open the settings app, and by using the search settings bar, type in Smart Sidebar or just Sidebar. Okay, we got it here. Now use this switcher to enable the feature. Okay, so how to use it? Near the volume up button on the screen you will see the small line. So just simply swipe it left and voila, here we are with our Smart Sidebar. You have here apps which you can quick access. Also, by holding the app, you can change order of the app like you want. By using this one icon, you can see at the top of the sidebar, you can put this sidebar on other side, for example here, or a little bit down, a little bit up, like you want. Then, what we got also, here we have more apps button, so you can expand this sidebar for more apps and put, for example, some apps to the split screen or just open it like you want. Also, we have here settings. We can change priority apps, which we see in a small version of the sidebar, and other things. For example, like here, we can turn off or turn on vibration feedback, open notifications in freeform, recent apps on sidebar, we can add it. Also, we can choose how apps will open, in freeform or in full screen. So you can explore these settings and manage and set up the sidebar like you want. Nice feature, helps you with apps access quickest. So if this video was helpful for you, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.